The end-stage osteoarthritis, which is also called wear and tear arthritis, is a disabling condition. Approximately 73% of the people who are affected are 55 or above. 60% of them are female. The gold standard treatment for end-stage osteoarthritis of the knee joint is total knee replacement. At King's College Hospital, London in Dubai, at our state-of-the-art joint replacement center, we are providing total knee replacement surgery with excellent results. The research has revealed that total knee replacement has a success rate of 97% at 10 years. If 100 people have a total knee replacement, 97% of them will continue to enjoy a successful total knee replacement after 10 years. In London, United Kingdom, I have performed 100 of total knee replacements over the years with a success rate of 99%.